Planning a trip to Canada? Here's how to book the perfect Airbnb, step by step. Start by opening the Airbnb website or app on your device. In the search bar, type your destination, like Banff, Toronto, or Quebec City. Next, select your check-in and check-out dates and choose how many guests will be staying. Now refine your search. Use the filters to narrow down your results. Set a price range, choose the type of place, entire home, private room, or shared room, and select the amenities you need, like Wi-Fi, kitchen, or parking. Take your time browsing through the listings. Click on a few, check the photos, read the full description, and most importantly, read the guest reviews. Look for comments on cleanliness, location, and host communication. Once you find a place that checks all the boxes, click Book. Review the full price breakdown, including nightly rate, cleaning fee, and service fee. Also check the cancellation policy, which can vary from flexible to strict. Then enter your payment information and click Confirm Booking. You'll receive a confirmation email with all the trip details. After that, feel free to message your host to ask any questions or confirm check-in info. And that's how you book an Airbnb in Canada. Have a great trip and see you in the next tutorial.